Ngspice. I am going to take one of these circuits. I am going to take one of these circuits. Let me go with the first circuit. So I want 3 NMOS transistors. One is left side and 2 NMOS on the right side. Okay. So 3 NMOS transistors, left side circuit I am going to draw. And the expression is A plus B into C. I am going to draw the CMOS static logic for A plus B into C. Okay, A plus B into C. New schematic is taken. Go to NMOS. Left side 1 NMOS. Right side I want one below the other 2 NMOS. Okay, and you see source will be bottom side, drain will be on the top side. Okay, and I want to invert the 2 NMOS. I will have to invert the 2 NMOS. Just you go to hand button, click. Instead of rotate, you have to go with flip. It is exactly. Then click on the workspace. Flip operation. Source is still on the lower side. Okay, it should be maintained. Now the second one is moving. Control E, we are just flipping the NMOS transistor. You fix it on the workspace. Okay. Top one is B, bottom one is C, left side is A. 3 NMOS transistors. Connect the drain points, connect the source points. Okay, connect the source, connect the drain. Always we know drain should be given to VDD, and so this bottom should be grounded. That I will follow. Okay, I will take the wire connection and just I will connect the drain points. I will connect this. I will connect this part. Okay, I want 3 voltage sources. Left side I will give A, this is B, and this is C. Escape. I want ground also. I will put ground connection for all the 3. Escape. Just click on zoom in. I think it will be visible now. Now go to wire connection. I will give, this is A variable. For the first NMOS, A variable. Escape. That should be cleared because the extra wire it will create problem. So go to scissor and just clear this line. Okay, escape. One minute. Starting point, ending point, one click we have to give. This is C input variable. This is C input variable. This is B input variable. Okay. Other than this, we need a VDD also. So what I will do, one more voltage I will take, which I will give it here for VDD connection. Escape. I have to connect one ground for this. Escape. And then I have to take this wiring. For VDD, we have to give 5 volts, logic 1. VDD, we have to give 5 volts, logic 1. And the common ground point, it should be grounded. Common source point, it should be grounded. And I will just connect a wire. Okay. Now, this is VDD, logic 1, 5 volts I am giving. This is A. Okay, and we have 3 variables, ABC, 3 variables. We have 3 variables ABC, so 8 combinations are possible. For that, what I will do, I will go to A, advanced, and pulse, and here I will give 0 followed by 5 volts, then delay time 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano. Okay, on time I will give 16 milli, time period I will give 32 milli. This is for A. Okay, half of A I will give for B time period, half of B I will give for C, so that all the 8 combinations is possible, I think. Now this is for A completed. This is B variable, go to advanced pulse, and here 0 volts, then coming to 5 volts, then delay is 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, and on time I have to give now 8 milli and 16 milli, 8 milli, 16 milli, half of that of A. I am giving half of that of A. This is B completed. Now I am going to C, advanced, go to pulse, again 0 followed by 5, delay time 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, and on time I have to give half of that 4 milli and then 8 milli. Time period 8 milli. Okay. If you see for A, I am giving 16 milli, 32 milli. For B, I am giving 8 milli, 16 milli. For C, I am giving 4 milli, 8 milli. Okay. And where will you take the output? In the entire circuit, where is the output point? Input you should be giving A into B into C. If you say for all the circuits, the center point will be taking, will be taking the output. Center point. If lower portion alone is there, this is the point where we will take the output. Okay, only lower portion without invert. Without invert is there, we will be taking output at this point. Okay, so what I will do, I have to remove this. I have to remove this portion. This is the point where I will be taking output. This is the point where I will be taking output. Escape. Okay, so whatever the voltage is 0.5 is given, that will switch on the entire circuit. Now my simulation time 32 or above 32 milli. Okay, run. You have to fix it somewhere in the window. Escape. Now go to simulate. Now window, tile vertical, and you are going to have 4 planes, because 3 input, 1 output. Okay, click in the first one, go to run button, click on A. This is A. Click on the second one, run button. This is B. Okay, click on the third one, run button. This is C. Okay, you see here 000. This is 000. Then 001. Okay, 010. Then 011. Then 100 combination. Then 101 combination. 110 combination. 111 combination. All the 8 combinations are possible. Now click on the output plane, run button. This is the output point. Okay, there is some switching happening on. You need the truth table. In order to check whether output is correct or not. Okay, so you have to draw the truth table for this. For our circuit. This is our circuit. The first circuit, you have to draw the truth table. Okay, then only we can decide what is the output. Okay, so this is about drawing the circuit and output for the given expression.